Announcing Top Metalworking Company of 2022, Bonal Technologies. Manufacturing Technology Insights cited Bonal Technologies and their META-LAX equipment as having a huge impact on the metalworking industry. The patented META-LAX technology is revolutionary and is the first vibration stress relief process that is consistently as good as heat treat stress relief, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. By using META-LAX, industry can reduce energy consumption for stress relief by up to 98%. Manufacturing Technology Insights noted that META-LAX equipment verifies when a metal part has reached its stress-relieved state. Bonal is an industry partner for stress relief solutions, helping companies improve product quality and reducing the time and cost of stress relieving while maintaining product quality. There are 15 different areas in which Bonal's META-LAX technology can expand stress relief beyond the capability of heat treat stress relief. META-LAX stress relief equipment is available from Bonal Technologies, Royal Oak, Michigan, USA at bonal.com and 1-800-META-LAX, 1-800-META-LAX. Contact Bonal today.